Hello, my name is Andrea Aguilar. The article I will be discussing is called Kobe Steel Problems May Be More Widespread, Raising Fears on High Speed Rail from the New York Times in the business section, and it was published on October 12, 2017. I believe this article is related to the topic of production systems, which are covered in our production operation class, because this whole article is based on the failure of proper production systems in which employees fail to deliver the highest or even the actual standard of quality expected of the product. This led to many this led many to stop trusting Kobe Steel and created safety misunderstandings because production systems are in fact all about plant layout and manufacturing procedures used. I also believe Kobe Steel is an example of good and bad manufacturing operations since the company left a lot of dissatisfaction in the business world when delivering the finished products. This article is about how Kobe Steel, a steel manufacturer, faces problems when fake information of production quality is brought up to the public attention. Kobe Steel metal is used for cars, airplanes, train parts, and other products. In the article, an argument discussed was how trains in Japan are claimed to have aluminum parts from Kobe steel, which did not meet the construction standards. The president of the company had to speak of the total number of parts assembled in trains, yet justifying how, regardless of the material used, the specifications for safety were reached, therefore, no one was at risk. Kobe Steel made public information about the rails problem available, yet they let people know themselves about the initial source of the problem, which was how employees had modified the results of inspection certificates to make it appear as if the manufacturing instructions were being followed, but they weren't. In the article, it says that this ended affecting 4% of the company's output of copper and aluminum products. Then two more products were shown by Kobe Steel to the list of affected materials. One of them is powdered steel. This is used to make molded products that have steel as well, which is related to the production of DVDs, television screens, and electronics in general. In the end, 200 total companies like Toyota Motors, General Motors, and Ford, Boeing, and Mitsubishi were affected by this fraud.